Hey, hello everyone. My name is Nikhil, and you all are watching Learn with Nick. So, guys, I'm again back to creating videos after a long break. As you already know, I was in my summer internship, and that has already ended. So, I will try to create like valuable videos for you every week. And the topic for today's video is why TISS HRM and LR is one of the best program to pursue HRM MBA in India. So now that I have already spent like 1 year into the course, I am ready to give you some of the things that I have personally experienced, and I'll be giving you some of the pointers as to what are the advantages of pursuing MBA in HR from TISS Mumbai. So let's start with the first advantage that I think is the most beneficial part of doing an MBA from TISS, that is its field work. सो जिन लोगों को नहीं पता, ये प्रोग्राम आपको 4 फील्ड वर्क्स ऑफर करता है अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर समर इंटर्नशिप्स, विच मीन्स कि आप 4 अलग अलग, इनफैक्ट इफ़ आप अगर आप समर इंटर्नशिप को काउंट करते हो तो आपके पास 5 अलग अलग कंपनीज़ में कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपोजर लेने का अपॉर्चुनिटी ये प्रोग्राम आपको प्रोवाइड करता है. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज़ फॉलोड एज कि सबसे पहले आप अपना फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर कंप्लीट करते हो. कि फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर ख़त्म होता है, you do your first field work. सेकेंड सेमेस्टर के एंड पे यू डू योर सेकेंड फील्ड वर्क, एंड सेकेंड फील्ड वर्क के ही एंड पे यू स्टार्ट योर समर इंटर्नशिप SIP विच इज़ कॉल्ड. उसके बाद थर्ड सेमेस्टर में अगेन आफ्टर द एंड यू विल गेट वन मोर कंपनी. दिस वे बिफोर यू फाइनली ग्रेजुएट आपकी CV पे टोटल 5 डिफरेंट कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपोजर होते हैं, विच इज़ बाय फार not given by any other program. So this is the best part of doing an MBA from TISS. Okay, now the second part is the again which is like very beneficial is the ROI, return on investment of this course is amazing. The fees that you pay for a 2-year MBA program is around 2 to 2.5 lakhs, and the return, if you compare it in like monetary terms, the median salary package is around 25 LPA and highest goes till 50 LPA also. So you can calculate like how much ROI you would be generating once you pass out from the course. Now ROI के बाद जो third important चीज़ है, that is the alumni network. So TISS has a legacy. It has been in around for like more than 60 years now. The course has been around for more than 60 years now. Some of the prominent alums are Dr. Santrup Mishra, who is the CEO of Black Carbon Business of Aditya Birla Group. We have Savita Shivshankar, who is the CHR of Asian Paints. We have Tarun NP, who is the I think CHRO of Tata Consumer Products, right? So you can Google it, you'll find various alums of this. You can also follow the TISS alumni page on LinkedIn to get more details about this. So there is a vast alum network, and all of them are present in really senior positions in the top companies, so you'll get advantage of that thing. And now for the fourth part is the location advantage. So the college has its campus in Mumbai, where most of the big companies headquarters are situated. तो जो भी बड़ी कंपनी आप देख लो, उनके हेडक्वार्टर्स आपको मुंबई में मिलेंगे. एंड इसका एडवांटेज क्या होता है, दैट रिक्रूटर्स आर इन योर सेम सिटी, सो विच हेल्प्स द कॉर्पोरेट रिलेशंस एंड द प्लेसमेंट सेल टू गिव अस बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्लेसमेंट्स. एंड ऑल्सो फील्ड वर्क के लिए भी people usually stay in the hostels and nearby PGs, and then they go to field work. So it's again an advantage because companies को mostly relocation के लिए stay provide नहीं करना पड़ता. So it's just another good opportunity for them to give the fieldwork internships to the student itself. Now finally fieldworks location advantages के बाद आता है यहाँ का जो course work है. So if you like check the official website of the course, we have some foundation courses which are the unique USP of TISS. These courses are like designed to teach you how the development process in India has occurred, and what are some of the significance of the historical developments and economic policies and social issues that have been in the past. So this foundation courses kind of develop your intellect from a social and economical perspective, which is very important because you'll be undergoing a course in human resources, and to study human it's very important to study how humans have developed. So I believe that these courses are one of the best courses, and apart from that, you also get to choose electives, and these electives can be chosen from the courses that are taught to the School of Social Work. So these are some of the benefits that I found really interesting about the course, and I would really like, there are once more obviously benefits, but these are the some of the major things that I think are very good part of studying in TISS. So if you all are applying for TI TISNET, all the best to you, and hopefully this brings you, or this serves as a motivation for you all to study. And I'll be back with a new video soon, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, share the video if you liked it, and also tell your friends to subscribe it. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.